Did you know some insurance apps are tracking you exactly where you're at, how long you're there, and whether you're walking or driving? Did you know they're using that info if you ever file a claim? When I'm talking about tracking, I'm talking about your exact GPS location, how fast you're going, and if you're using your phone while you drive. If you're using certain apps like Progressive's Snapshot, it's running in the background quietly, and you may not even realize that it's collecting this data. And yes, Progressive's terms and conditions state that this information can be used during the claim investigation. This isn't some brand new invention. Progressive used to have a little device that you'd plug into your car in 2008, and then in 2015 started testing an app on your phone. Since then, lots of insurance companies have offered pay how you drive or usage-based programs. Drivers online have even complained that these apps are saying that they're texting while driving even though their car is parked. Earlier this year, the Texas Attorney General sued Allstate for using multiple apps to track data without being on the actual Allstate app, meaning that they were taking data from other apps and using it for their benefit to see if you're a person who speeds, what type of places you go to, things like that. So here's why this is super important. One, you're giving away tons of data to your insurance company. You don't know if they're going to resell it. You don't know how they're going to use it. And it's got data on where you are, how long you're there. Can you imagine a divorce case where your spouse is sending a subpoena to your auto insurance company for this data to see where you were and when you were there and who you were with? Can you imagine that in a lawsuit over a car accident case, your personal injury lawyer is going to start sending subpoenas to your insurance company to figure out if you were in fact speeding at the time of the accident? What about the other person who claims they weren't doing anything wrong, but they were actually texting while driving? Insurance companies are opening themselves up to a major liability because they have tons of information. And I've got a little inside scoop for you. I was recently representing a clinic where an insurance company came in and accused them of billing for treatment that was not rendered, showed the clinic owner the app on their computer, and literally said, this is where the guy was on this day, from this day to this time. He was walking here, he was driving here, he was in this part of the city, but he was not in your office, and basically accusing the clinic of phantom billing, which is basically billing for services that were never rendered. Obviously, what the clinic did, definitely wrong. But the fact that the insurance company has this much data is super scary. Is it better for you to get a 10% discount, or do you care if the insurance company has this kind of data? Let me know down in the comments.